Hello students, welcome to another session of this solving homogeneous differential equations. Personally, I want to solve all the examples that are in the textbooks. Almost I have solved 15 examples in last sessions. So here is one more question which is solved in the textbook, but let me solve it again. You were asked to show that the differential equation 2y into e power x by y dx plus it's a y minus 2x e power x by y dy equals to 0 is homogeneous. You were asked to show that this is homogeneous differential equation, and you are also asked find its particular solution given you are given initial conditions, given that x equal to 0 when y is equals to 1. So using these conditions, finally you have to find the particular solution. So first you need to show it is homogeneous. Okay, so let me write given. So given is 2y e power x by y dx plus y minus 2x e power x by y into dy equals to 0. Okay. Now here, as I explained, if you find terms of the form x by y either in the power of e or within log or within sine cos, so if you find terms like x by y, then you have to express it in the form of dx by dy. Okay, so I can write it as e power x by y into dx equals to, bring this side, minus of y minus 2x e power x by y dy. Okay, now you have to express it as dx by dy because we have e power x by y. So this I write it as, I'll take minus inside, so it can write it as 2x e power x by y minus y whole divided by, you bring this term down, 2y e power x by y. Okay, now you are supposed to show that it is a homogeneous function, means a homogeneous differential equation, means look at this here, power of e is x by y, so you need to express it as function of x by y. Okay, so you have to express it is in the form of x by y. So take y common here. If in the numerator take y common, so you will get 2x by y e power x by y minus 1. Similarly, denominator no problem, it is 2y e power x by y. Now y cancels. Look what you got, 2x by y e power x by y minus 1 divided by 2 e power x by y. Okay, so this is your dy by dx and clearly it is in the form of f of x by y. Okay, means each term is in the form of x by y. So this implies given is a homogeneous differential equation, and I call it as equation number 1. And as I told you, the substitution, you have to make the substitution, put x by y is equal to v, and it implies x is equals to vy. Differentiate with respect to y, because we want I make correction, this is not dy by dx, this is your dx by dy. Okay. So differentiate with respect to y. So dx by dy is equals to, it is v plus y into dv by dy. As I explained, first v as it is, derivative of y with respect to y is 1. So next y as it is, derivative of v with respect to y is dv by dy. Okay, now this becomes, okay, you substitute in this equation 1. So 1 becomes, it is v plus y dv by dy equals to, look at this, 2x by y e power x by y means it is a 2v e power v minus 1. It is 2v e power v minus 1. In the denominator, it is 2 e power v. Okay, look here. Now try to separate the variables. So y dv by dy is equals to, you bring this v to the right, 2v e power v minus 1 by 2 e power v, and this v this side. Okay, which is equals to 2v e power v minus 1 minus this into this gives you 2v e power v, okay, this into this, whole divided by 2 e power v. Now look, these two terms get cancels, and what you left with? You left with minus 1 by 2 e power v, and this side y dv by dy. Okay, now separating the variables, okay, separate the y terms and v terms. So separating variables, so e power v this side into dv as it is, okay, I keep minus 1 by 2 this side as it is, and dy up and y down. Okay, so remember this. Now we have to integrate. Integrating both sides. So what you will get? You will get integration of e power v dv equals to minus 1 by 2 integration of dy by y. Okay, this minus is there. Okay. Now integration of e power v is e power v as it is, minus 1 by 2 integration of dy by y is log y. Okay, plus constant c. Your v is x by y equals to minus 1 by 2 log of y plus c. This is your general solution. I can call it as number 2. So this is the general solution. Now you have to put the given initial conditions. You are given x is equal to 0 when y is 1. So make x equal to 0, put x equal to 0 and y is equal to 1 in this and find the value of c. Therefore, 2 becomes, in this you will get e power 0 is equals to minus 1 by 2 log of 1 plus c, and e power 0 is 1, log of 1 to any base is 0, so you got the value of c as 1. Okay, so remember this, log of 1 is always 1, 0. Log of 1 to any base is always 0. So that is why the value of c is 1. Now you have to substitute this in this. Therefore, put this in 2. So what will get? E power x by y is equals to minus 1 by 2 log of y plus constant c means 1. Okay, so this is your particular solution. This is your particular solution. Okay. Now let's have another example. Okay. Write this. Find the particular solution find the particular solution of the differential equation x into sine square y by x minus y into dx plus x dy by dx equals to 0 given y equal to pi by 4 when x is 1. So you are given this differential equation with this condition. Now looking at the differential equation, okay, you are given within sign you have y by x. So try to express it in the form of, just make one correction here, it is not dy by dx, it's just dy. Okay, so you need to express it in the form of dy by dx first, because we have within sign y by x. So given can be written as, I will write x into dy is equals to, I transfer this side, it is minus of x into sine square y by x minus y into dx. Okay, so you have to express it in the form of dy by dx because within sign we have y by x. So I can write this, take minus inside, so it is y minus x sine square y by x divided by this x down. Okay, now see here, if you divide it by x, so you will get y by x minus x by x is 1, so you can write like this. It is equivalent to taking x common in the numerator. I will show you how this has come. If you take x common in the numerator, what will get? Y by x minus sine square y by x whole divided by x. So this x cancels and you got this. Though this is nothing but this is of the form f of y by x. Okay, now dy by dx is in this form, means clearly it implies given is homogeneous. Given is homogeneous differential equation. Okay, I call it as number 1. So make the substitution, y by x is equals to v. So put y by x is equals to v, that implies y is equal to vx, and as earlier differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx is equals to v plus x dv by dx. Okay, so 1 becomes your 1 becomes left hand side is v plus x dv by dx. Right hand side y by x means v minus you have sine square y by x, that is sine square v. Look here, this is your v and sine square v. Okay, now both side v you can remove. So x dv by dx is equals to, it is minus sine square v. This gives you, separating the variables, bring this sine square down, keep minus out there, minus dx by x. Okay, integrate, very simple, integrating on both sides. 1 by sine square I can write it as a cosec square minus integration dx by x. Okay, 1 by sine square I have kept at cosec square, and as you know cosec square is the derivative of minus cot. Okay, so I can write integration of cosec square is minus cot v. It is log x plus constant c. Okay, so you may write, if you multiply by minus you will get cot, and v is y by x equals to log of x, and I can write it as a minus c because I have multiplied by minus 1. Multiply by minus 1. So this is your general solution. Okay, so this is your general solution. Now to find the particular solution, you are supposed to put the given value. Put y is equal to pi by 4 and x equals to 1. So what you will get, check. Cot of y means pi by 4 by 1, you will get pi by 4. You will get log 1 here plus c. And as you know that the value of cot pi by 4 is 1, log 1 is 0 plus c, So C is 1. So substitute here, you will get particular solution. Okay, so therefore cot of y by x equals to log of x minus 1. This is your particular solution. Okay, next, here is one more example from the exercise. That was problem number 13, and here is problem number 15 of exercise 9.5. Okay, find the particular solution. Find the particular solution of the differential equation 2xy plus y square minus 2x square dy by dx equals to 0, and you are given y is 2 when x is 1. Okay, now look at this. Degree of this term is 2, degree of this is 2, degree of this is 2. So clearly it is homogeneous. So I can write it as 2xy plus y square is equal to 2x square dy by dx. Okay, I brought term this side. Therefore dy by dx is equals to, so you bring this 2x square down, so I can write it as 2xy plus y square by 2x square. Okay, now it is homogeneous differential equation, and I will show you. If I take x square common in the numerator, look at this, degree of each term is 2, so take maximum x square common, though x square is not there. Okay, so I can write it as 2y by x, y square by x square. In the denominator you have 2x square. So x square cancels, you will left with 2y by x plus y square by x square by 2, means I can write 1 by 2 here. Okay, so clearly this is a function of y by x. So that shows that it is homogeneous. Okay, so therefore I can call it as 1, make the substitution. So put y by x is equals to v. Unless you identify the type of equation, it is tough to solve. So this implies y is equal to vx, differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx is equals to v plus x dv by dx. Okay, so 1 becomes, v plus x dv by dx equals to 1 by 2 I had. Look at this, 2v plus y square by x square means it is v square. Okay, now you can bring this v this side, x dv by dx equals to 1 by 2 into 2v plus v square minus v. Okay, if I multiply these two, what you will get? You will get v, this you will get 1 by 2 v square minus v as it is. Okay, so because if you multiply here you will get 2 cancels, but here 1 by 2 gets. Now v cancels, equals to 1 by 2 v square x dv by dx. So separate the variables. Separating variable means I can bring this v square down. So dv by v square 1 by 2 as it is, dx by x. Okay, so now integrate. Integrating, so dv by v square is equals to 1 by 2 integration dx by x. Integration of 1 by v square, that is minus 1 by b. It's a 1 by 2 log x plus c. Okay, 1 by v is y by x. It's 1 by 2 log of x plus c. You may write it as minus x by y. It's a 1 by 2 log mod x plus c. Call it as number 2. This is your general solution. Okay, so this is your general solution. Now to find the particular solution, you are supposed to put your given conditions. Put y is equal to 2 and x is equals to 1, because you are given that y becomes 2 when x is 1. So substitute here. So if you substitute here, what will get? Okay, minus 1 by 2 equals to 1 by 2 log of 1 plus c, and log 1 is 0, so c is equal to, what will get? C is equal to minus 1 by 2 you will get. Okay, so that gives you c is equals to minus 1 by 2, and substitute here. Okay, so therefore particular solution is, make substitute here, minus x by y equals to half log of x minus 1 by 2. Remember this. This is your particular solution. Okay. Let's have another example which is solved in the text. Okay. Show that the family of curves for which the slope of the tangent, the slope of the tangent at any point x comma y on it is x square plus y square by 2xy is given by x square minus y square is equal to cx. Okay, now see here, you are supposed to show that the family of curves for which the slope of the tangent at any point xy on it is this family of curves. Means, see here what is given, slope of the tangent to the curve is given. Means for this family of curves, slope of the tangent is given by this. Slope means dy by dx. Okay, so given slope at any point, that is dy by dx. Slope at any point dy by dx is given to be x square plus y square by 2xy. Okay, now you have to find for which curve this is the slope. Means you have to show that on solving this differential equation, the general solution is this much you have to show. Very simple. Okay, clearly this is homogeneous. Solve this. dy by dx is equals to maximum power is, that's degree of x is 2, so take degree of each term is 2 here. So if I take x square common, 1 plus y square by x square, denominator can also be written as, if I take x square out, means if I write x square into 2y by x, I can write just arrangement, x cancel, you will left with 1x. So x square cancels, you will left with 1 plus y square by x square by 2y by x. Clearly this is homogeneous. Okay, so this is your homogeneous differential equation. I can call it as number 1. Now make the substitution. Put y by x is equals to v, that implies y is equal to vx, which implies differentiating with respect to x. These are the common things. V plus x dv by dx. Okay, so blindly one can write this if you made enough practice. Okay, so this is 1 plus v square by 2v. Okay, this is your v square, this is your v. Separate the variables. Means first step, you bring this v to the right. dv by dx is equals to 1 plus v square by 2v minus v. Take LCM. 1 plus v square 2v into v is 2v square by 2v. Further, v square minus 2v square means minus v square will get by 2v. This is x dv by dx. Separating the variables, 2v by 1 minus v square into dv equals to dx by x. Okay, 2v up, 1 minus v square down into dv equal to dx by x. Okay, integrate. So integration of 2v by 1 minus v square dv, integration of dx by So one thing to be remembered, always you check whether numerator is the derivative of denominator. If so, you can keep it in one step. So what is the derivative of minus v square? It is minus 2v. So we have 2v here. So what I can do is multiply and divide by minus to make it derivative. So I can write it as minus of minus 2v by 1 minus v square dv equals to integration dx by x. Okay, so I have multiplied and divided, you can see, or I have written in this for minus into minus because plus. So just made an arrangement so as to make the derivative of this as numerator. So numerator is the derivative of denominator, so you can keep it is log of denominator that I told you in the beginning. Okay, if numerator is the derivative of denominator, its integration is log of denominator. So this you can write, if you multiply by minus, you can write log of 1 minus v square is equal to minus log of minus. If all the terms are in terms of log, better you can keep constant also in terms of log. Okay, no issue. So you may write it as log of 1 minus v square plus log of x plus log of c equal to 0. This implies log m plus log n plus log p is, it is a product of this. Okay, so this implies 1 minus v square into x into c is equal to e power 0. Okay, if you remove the log, on the other side you can write e power 0. Okay, so e power 0 is 1, so you can write it as 1 minus v means y square by x square, x into c equals to e power 0 is 1. So take the LCM, x square minus y square by x square into x into c is equals to 1. This is x square minus y square, 1x remains 1. So this is equals to x square minus y square is equals to x by c. Okay, now you are asked, it is x square minus y square is equal to something cx. So I can write it as x square minus y square is equal to 1 by c, some constant. I can write it as a big C dash or c. Okay, so this is your required result, where your big C stands for 1 by c, or you can write c dash. Okay, so this is the required family of curves for given conditions. So practice this. We will meet in the next session with another concept.